Hi everyone, my name is Manav Shahi. I work in the product growth team here at Workato, and I'm going to show you how to share a recipe with someone else. Let's take a look at this example recipe. This automation helps me stay up to date on the latest sales wins with details like the customer's name, their primary problem, and why they chose Workato. Tracking these emails in my busy inbox gets pretty challenging, so I created this recipe that will update me and send this information directly to Slack. Now, let's say I want to share this recipe with someone who's looking to create a similar automation. How would I do that? Well, sharing recipes is quite easy. You go here to settings, you go down to sharing, and you're introduced to two different ways to share your recipe. The first way is privately. This is a good option if you only wanted to share your recipe with a coworker or with your team. You just copy this URL and you send it directly to them. This way, only people with access to your private URL have access to your recipe. It's also a good practice to share your recipes privately when they contain business sensitive information. And the second way to share your recipe is publicly. This is a great way for you to share your work with over 100,000 other Workato community members by listing it on the Workato community library. Anyone looking to automate for a similar problem can easily view your recipe, reuse it as is, or even customize it to fit their own specific needs. Because my recipe has no confidential information, I'm happy to share it with the community by clicking List Recipe. The community recipes are a great way for anyone to discover new automation ideas or even just get started with the Workato product. The library contains tons of automations that are built and shared by other community members, and I can filter through them using apps like Slack and Gmail, or by searching up keywords like Salesflash, where I can now view my own recipe. I'll be doing a deeper dive into these community recipes in another video, considering that it has been my go-to resource when creating new recipes. For this reason, I found that sharing recipes is an amazing way to give back to the Workato community. Got suggestions for new topics? Drop us a note at product@workato.com, and thank you for listening.